Hi everyone. Welcome back to Allthings. Are you tired of expensive skincare products that don't deliver results? Today, we'll explore simple, natural skincare tips that are budget-friendly and super effective. Let's get glowing. Segment 1. Start with a simple routine. First things first, keep your skincare routine simple. You don't need a dozen products. Here's a basic routine. Cleansing. Use a natural cleanser like raw honey or milk to gently clean your skin without stripping its natural oils. Toning. Rose water is a great natural toner that soothes and hydrates your skin. Moisturizing. Use aloe vera gel or coconut oil as a natural moisturizer to lock in hydration. Segment 2. DIY remedies for skin issues. Dealing with acne, dark spots, or dryness? Here are some easy DIY remedies you can try at home. For acne, mix turmeric with honey to create an antibacterial face mask. Apply it to problem areas for 10 minutes, then rinse. For dark spots, apply a mix of lemon juice and potato juice to lighten dark spots naturally. Use this twice a week for best results. For dry skin, mash a banana with yogurt and apply it as a hydrating mask for 15 minutes. Your skin will thank you. Segment 3. Foods for healthy skin. Remember, skincare isn't just about what you put on your face, it's also about what you eat. Hydrating foods. Eat water-rich fruits like watermelon and cucumber to keep your skin hydrated. Omega-3 fatty acids. Foods like walnuts and flax seeds help reduce inflammation and keep your skin supple. Vitamin C. Add citrus fruits like oranges and lemons to your diet for a natural glow. Segment 4. Common skincare mistakes to avoid. Hosts on camera. Now, let's talk about common skincare mistakes that could be sabotaging your glow. Over-exfoliating. Exfoliating too often can damage your skin barrier. Limit it to 2 to 3 times a week. Skipping sunscreen. Sunscreen isn't just for sunny days. Protect your skin every day with at least SPF 30. Using too many products. Layering multiple products can irritate your skin. Stick to a few essentials that work for you. Segment 5. Bonus tip. Self-care for healthy skin. Last but not least, don't underestimate the power of rest and hydration. Drink at least 2 liters of water daily and aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep. A healthy lifestyle reflects on your skin. That's it for today's video. Try these tips and let me know which one worked best for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Allthings for more amazing content. Until next time, stay natural and stay beautiful.